Imagine getting a frantic phone call asking for immediate bill payment. Such kind of scams are alarmingly common in India, tricking people into making costly mistakes. One click and this can lead to a financial loss. Today, let's dive into a case study and explore how you can protect yourself from such kind of fraud. A senior citizen living with her son received a call from someone claiming to be from Maharashtra Natural Gas Limited. The caller urgently warned of a pending gas bill that needed to be paid immediately to avoid disconnection. Hassled by the urgency, the lady handed the phone to her son. The caller insisted on immediate payment through a link he would provide. The son, skeptical, yet rushed and proposed a ₹100 test payment. The link showed legitimate-looking details about the gas connection. Believing it was genuine, the son entered his card details, only to discover later that ₹60,000 was stolen. So in such cases, where does the liability lie? Here's what you need to know. The loss occurred due to negligence after sharing payment details on an unverified site. Generally, a limited liability policy might apply, but you could be responsible for the full loss until you report it to your bank. But why did the son fall victim to this fraud? Well, beyond technical aspects of a scam, scammers employ psychological tricks. Scammers exploit human emotions and social behaviors to deceive even the most vigilant individuals. They mimic trusted entities, making victims more likely to comply. These tactics make the victim feel they must act immediately or risk losing something valuable, whether it's money, services, or opportunities. Here, the scammer created a sense of urgency and pressured the son to act quickly. He also posed as an official of the Maharashtra National Gas Limited, which is a credible and well-known organization. The scammer further exploited the victim's cognitive bias toward trusting recognized brands. The scammer also induced fear by claiming that the victim's gas connection would be disconnected. This tapped into his fear and prompted a sense of panic. So what can you do to avoid falling victim to these frauds? First, if you get an urgent payment request from an unverified source, always contact the organization directly to confirm the status of the payment. Avoid clicking on unverified links or messages asking for payments or rewards. Official communications often come from recognizable prefixes. Also, never enter your credit card details on unverified websites. Ensure the URL starts with HTTPS to verify security. Now, if you accidentally click a suspicious link, avoid entering any financial information and always use official websites for bill payments. Stay vigilant and protect your finances. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and share. And for more personal finance tips, subscribe to our channel.